today's topic is creating row and columns hierarchies with matrix. Now we will play around with hierarchies in matrix. So let's pick from the point where we left in our last demo. We have rows representing countries and uh, we have second level of hierarchy within the row that states within the country. So if we minimize this one Denmark, we are going back to the countries. So there are in rows here in visualization pan there are country and state two values, and in columns there are categories, and in values we have put it sum of sales. Let's try to highlight a specific country. That country, uh, maybe we will select a country and we will try to highlight that one country. So just going here, which one country we may select? We just try to highlight Brazil. Okay, but I forgot to drill down. Till now we have not selected any drill down option here. So, but we can see few arrows are there. If we click on downward arrow in second arrow, it will go to the drill down. As we click on here, the appearance will change. See, drill mode is on. Click a data point to drill. Okay. So let's try by clicking on country Brazil. Few few moments ago, we were not able to drill down here as we selected. Now, if we select it, you can see the change. Okay, because it's the beauty of drill down. Few seconds ago, we were not able to drill down, but as we click on Brazil now, appearance changed the uh, and on screen. So now we have information only for Brazil and within the state. So to confirm data in first row matches with the data in the last row. So these all are states of the Brazil, and we are having information about furniture, office supply, technology and their total sales. So at this point we may use hierarchy in many possible ways. So just to drill up, and we are just going back to the original matrix. So turn off the drill down. As we will go here, we will turn off the by clicking turn off the drill down. Now, how well we understand drill down functionality in Power BI. What happens if we click on two downward pointing arrows? So if we go here and we will click here, so can we expand all the country to next level of hierarchy? Can we? By just clicking on here. So just see, we can go to the next level of hierarchy for all the countries here. You can see here we are going to the states for all the countries. So we no longer have information about country. We have the information about states only. So it's an important point to note. We can drill down to their next level of hierarchy even when drill down mode is off. Okay. So now go and turn up. Next we can experiment with this one. Expand all down in one level of hierarchy. This one button, as we have used it before, it will drill down to the expand all down one level of hierarchy. So we can see the matrix after clicking it. We can see it has been expanded, and number for every country as well as number of states. So I guess for me this is better understandable, for where we are having the data for each and every country and each and every states within the country. So if we don't want to see state level information, click on drill up here, and you can see the here was minus sign was there as we were there. Now the minus sign as we click here will be changed to the plus sign. Another way is by just go there, right click, and we can see there is a menu open, and there are various kind of selection may be there. It may be expand, drill down, show as a table, show next level, expand to next level, include, exclude, and copy. So what we will do, if we want any kind of information change here, we can do here. So coming back to expand option, and we will coming back expand, we can expand to different levels, selection level, entire level, all level. So we are going to the entire level. Drilling down to all to the next level of hierarchy here by simply clicking on plus sign. So back to drill up, and now we will play around with some uh, with our change. So what we will do, we will simply select segment and we will put to the column here. Now uh, we can see there is a little drop down added there on drill on rows, drill on column. Still now there was no drill down on columns, because on the column there is only one option of category. Now there are two options. Rows can be drilled down here, and columns can be drilled down on these bases. So there is a little icon is there. Upside there is a little drop down and drill on rows columns. So we have to select here where we want to drill down. So guys, I am selecting here columns. And one important thing I really want to you note here, if we please see if I'm going to select rows, and there is a what is there this header has. So if we are going to select column and we click on those rows, you can see headings change. Headings change. So these are changed to furniture, office supplies, and technology. So this is quite different. Now we will change to our selection to rows, and next again we will go to the, you can see there also a change in appearance. We are now drilling down on furniture, office supplies, and technology. So I hope you understood how to change the data and how we can drill down on the row level and column level. Turn your attention to rows card. You can see that we have two fields, country and state. Column has two fields, category and segment. So we have to mention here where we want to drill down, on columns or on row. So guys, this is all about drilling down, and now just go back to the main page. What now we will do, we will just remove segment from here which we have added, and it will take back to the matrix appearance which we were using in our demo before. So I hope you understood how we can drill down on rows and columns, how we can drill down with turning on drill down mode and without turning on drill down mode. So this is all about in this video from my side, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.